Coca Cola. There is no other product in the world which has higher consumption than Coca Cola. It is the most recognized brand in the world, which makes anything from soft drinks to bottled water, milk, juices, iced tea and coffee. They own 21 different multi-billion-dollar brands under its umbrella. Every day, 2 billion servings of a Coke brand are served worldwide. In this episode, we will discuss the origins of Coke beverage and a secret vault where this multi-billion-dollar company keeps its secret formula to make this drink. Then we will have a tour of a glass-making factory and a Coca-Cola bottling facility in Atlanta, Georgia. But first, it's request to all viewers to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. It will motivate us to make amazing videos. Coca-Cola success starts with a secret syrup which they keep at the World of Coca-Cola in Atlanta, Georgia. There is a dramatic demonstration of how the recipe is locked away in a vault with lights and fog. Before that, it was stored at SunTrust Bank in Atlanta. Rumors has it that only 2 executives know the recipe at a time. It is believed that the recipe is heavily guarded underground at the World of Coca-Cola and no one can access that secret recipe. The ingredients are listed, but there is one purposely vague: natural flavors. Coca-Cola sends its secret syrup to the 900 bottling plants in the world. Coke was created by an American Civil War Colonel Dr. John Pemberton in 1885 as an alternative to morphine, a relief medicine for headache. Dr. John Pemberton collected the extracts of coca leaf, which is main ingredient of cocaine. He mixed the coca leaf powder with African cola nut along with some sugar and some water. Although the cola nut already contains caffeine, he boosted the caffeine content even more. His main idea was to sell it as headache remedy, but after some testing, however, he observed that it helped with indigestion and relieved exhaustion. Besides its medical usage, he found it tasteful. Pemberton and his partners named this new medicine as Coca-Cola, and they advertised it as a drink to relieve exhaustion, tiredness and a tonic for nervous affections. The journey of Coke bottle starts in a glass-making factory. A special kind of sand is brought. This sand is not what you see on a beach. This sand is rich in silicon. The sand is mixed up with recycled glass with an amount of calcium carbonate and sodium carbonate which determine the type of glass. The whole mixture is brought into a hopper which drops down this mixture in a hot furnace. Furnace makes this mixture liquefied by heat. A special machine cuts this molten glass into thousands of molten fire-like balls. These molted sand balls are then taken to the molding machines. First molding machine makes neck of these bottles. In the second step, air is pumped into it to make final shape of the bottle. Here are some video footages of the steps involved in making of glass bottles. The heated bottles are cooled and passed to the next section. In this section, the sharp mouth of bottle is softened so that it don't hurt the person who drinks the Coke with bottle mouth. In the last step, these bottles are picked from conveyor and packed for final shipment. Now let's visit a bottling plant of Coca-Cola. 1 gallon concentrate of Coca-Cola syrup is used to make 10,000 gallons of Coca-Cola. The 90% ingredient of Coke is water. Giant tanks are filled with water. The secret syrup is mixed in large tanks. Some sweeteners are added and carbonation of this mixture is performed according to the formula. Empty bottles are brought into filling machine. In the next step, bottles are filled with Coke. The temperature of mixture is kept at 40 Fahrenheit. If temperature is high, there is a chance that bottles will burst out. At this fillers 500 bottles are filled per minute. After filling bottles, the caps are placed on them. The length of conveyor system which carries bottles can be as long as 3 kilometers. This long length ensures the production of large quantity of Coke. Then bottles are brought for final inspection. After inspection, filled bottles are placed in shipping containers and wrapped with plastic for shipment to the stores. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel and watch our next amazing video.